So hello. So this is the May sew along, the Merchant & Mills Nevis skirt. So it is a wrap skirt. In this version I've done the tie version. We've got a little button fastening it here, pleats, and pockets, and the hem has a beautiful big juicy facing. It literally flows with the skirt. Just trying to get out of the glare of the sun so you can really see what's happening here. So it's fairly flat on the front, and that was something I thought was really quite nice. I hoped it would be a little more A-line, but I think when you start to move in the skirt, it does create that. I'm wearing it with wooden clog sandals, wooden soled sandals, which I think really works for the style of it. I'm feeling a 1970s vibe in my checked, what's it called? Gingham skirt. So, yeah, this is what Merchant & Mills describe as the easier of the two options. This is because it's just got the tie here. The other version has a little, they call it a ticket pocket here on the front, which is a little bit fiddly. And to be honest with you, I think the actual pocket you're never going to use, so you could just do the flap if you like the look of that. And then the skirt itself, it's got a nice generous wrap, so it goes quite far around on both sides, so you're unlikely to accidentally flash anyone. I'm wearing it here with what is a roll neck, but the roll has kind of rolled down, I guess. And then this little cute crochet waistcoat. Yeah, I think it's a perfect summer skirt. I'm just going to go try it on with something different and see how we like it then. Okay, so I've changed this one up and I'm wearing with this sort of 70s feel t-shirt, and I think this works really nicely well, just casual summer. I've still got these little wedges on, but you can wear it with, I was going to put my Birkenstocks on, but I haven't got round to that yet. Tan saddlebag handbag. Yeah, and we're mixing it all up and bringing the summer vibes. I am actually, the more I'm trying it on with different stuff, the more I'm liking it. I originally had tried it on with an ochre yellow top, which was a loose fitting top, and I think it works much better with a slimmer top, allowing the volume and the pattern of the skirt to kind of bring the drama. So yeah, Merchant & Mills Nevis skirt. They describe it as a walking skirt, which I guess just means it's got a lot of freedom of movement in it. It's not a restricted skirt. I think it was a 1920s, 30s thing where they had walking skirts and they'd walk along, climb mountains. I don't know what they were doing, but yeah, they describe this as a walking skirt. But for me, certainly in this version, it's a perfect summer skirt. I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon.